Does anyone see a problem? And it ain't just one. And they're glued in like that. Hello? Hey, check out what Mrs. Wild and Mrs. Wild's mum have done. Oh, look at that. They cleared out the chook pen. Look at that. Not a bad effort. They had a stompy stick with a bit of rope and they stomped it down, flattened it down so we could get in here finally and check it out. We're still keen to use this as a chook pen. Those nesting boxes are a bit confusing. Does anyone see a problem? And it ain't just one. And they're glued in like that. Hello? Hilarious. Anyway, this is to be a chook pen. I'll have to get the whip snipper in here and make sure to keep it low. We got a sapling to snip down, but this is going to work. Keep the hawks at bay, eagles, any other sort of chicken eating bird. Yeah, the fenced off area there, it's still coming down, and our little guinea fowl, those little guinea fowl, they roost in that tree there at night, so they obviously miss their chicken buddies. Anyway, chicken pen progressing. Yay!